Good morning. And my hair looking crazy. All showered and just letting it hang out. Once again, shout out to Graham for cutting me up. Now my hair looks pretty good. But yeah, time to get in the thrift. Let's go. Yo, just found 3 more Gucci. King Gucci. This one's just regular Gucci. This one's probably the most fire one. I wish this was in my size, but it's not. Size small. 2013 Drake Tour tee. Nothing was the same. Very fire. Got Miguel right there at the bottom. Supreme Joker collab. Just found this vintage champion denim for $10. Very dope piece. Size 44. It's in perfect condition. For sure picking this up. Pretty cool Coca-Cola super big puffy jacket, but there's nothing on the back. This is way too plain. Pass. I got this basic vintage Nike hoodie. Made in USA, size large. Pretty clean, but the inside doesn't feel really soft, so I'm probably gonna pass. Not cozy enough. Jeez, they're asking for 50 for this, and it's blue. This piece right here is crazy. Yo, do y'all see that? I really hope that's a starter. If not, I'm probably still gonna cop it. I'm about to check it out right now. I was wondering why it had Jordan like all over it, but there's no like Jordan print on this. I've never seen this print before, and then when I looked on the inside, well, basically it says sample in there. So this is basically a sample Jordan bag, but I'd have no use for it. Just cool to see. Yo, what's good? Just got here to the Long Beach Convention Center with the homies CJ. With the homies CJ and Darian from barber school. We're here for the event so we can get some hours. Yo, so we made the mistake of coming here at 10 o'clock. Doesn't start till 1.
Let's go.
Met a new homie though.
I know. Really nice.
But yeah, now we're just gonna walk around the pier and see what's good. Dude, watch this dude kill this. Hey, let's go.
Premium? They still give him the cat.
All done with that little walk. Now we're about to eat at Islands before we go inside. Let's go. Oh, hit it one time, CJ. One time. Hey, 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 hey. And we done eating.
You gotta stare hard, huh?
Now it's time to go to the convention. Finally. Let's go. Let's go.
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you. Straight to wall. I'm trying to see if they have the cordless senior, which I don't see. Trying to get a cut on the wall stage? Dude, look at these monsters. Damn, we're walking on snow? For real? So that was cool. Not that crazy because it's more of like a beauty expo. So it was more female stuff. But it's time to actually go cut hair now at our event. Let's go. The homie got the vintage polo jean jacket.
It's cool, boy.
The red inside. Yo, we just got to LA. Now it's time to set up for barber school because we're cutting for like a little festival thing, but there's supposed to be like 60,000 people here. Let's get that money. Yo, we just finished cutting right now. Got a little crazy. We cut for like 7 or 8 hours straight, so I had no time to film the haircuts. But shout out to everyone who actually recognized me and came up to me and said, let's go. So I'll see you guys. We're about to go out right now. Let's go. Good morning, y'all. Finally got my camera. When I went to that barber event for school, I actually forgot my camera that night. So I left it in the school, but I got it back and we at the thrift, so let's go. Got this Polo Sport piece. Polo Ralph Lauren, but it says Polo Sport right here, stitched in. Size small, but they're asking for 15, so pass. Probably gonna cop this right here. This is fire. Vintage San Francisco crew neck. That colorway is so fire. Scoop. Just came across this North Face for women, size medium. This is super tight. It has an adjustable like strap right here for the hood, and then it has the detachable zipper. And this can be tucked away, so this is tight. Probably gonna scoop this. And then I found a full tracksuit from Uniqlo. Size medium though, women's. Good morning, y'all. It is the next day. Time to hit the thrift once again. Let's go. Got two bootleg like scarf things, or like the square like fabrics. One Versace, one Gucci. These are fire. They're asking for 25 each, so we'll see if I scoop. Just found two pairs of Flyknit racers. Got this orange and red colorway. And then I got the black and whites right here. They're both size 6. They actually fit my lady, the boo-boo. So maybe I'll cop one for her. Let's see. Yo, that's kind of trippy. Me and my brother's name. What? Yo, it was nice and dark. Man, the sky look crazy right now. Just got to a Goodwill, just popping in after the gym before I head home. Just quick pit stop, cause you never know. Goodwill, yeah. Spotted from very far away. Scoop. So your boy just ended up copping the Polo Sport backpack for ladies. Hit me up if you want it. Let's go. Yo, what's good? Man, my lips hella dry or what? No, I just need chapstick. I actually want to try and find like a silver chain in there because Andy's did like a demo at our schooling. They gave us this little like barber clipper keychain, but I want to turn it into a necklace. Hopefully I can find a cheap chain. Let's go through it. Just found this vintage Georgetown University crew neck. This is fire. I might have to hook the cousin up with this one. Staple with the big pigeon on it. And then I told you guys I normally don't cop Nautica, but I found this Nautica competition and I have to scoop this one. This one's way too fire. Look at the back. For sure scooping this. Only 10 bucks. Dang, sadly I'm gonna have to leave this. The zipper's actually broken at the bottom, and then I actually have some stains in the back that are probably not gonna come off. It's probably gonna pass. Dude, look at this vintage made in USA Patagonia full bodysuit, size large. Low-key might fit me. It's kind of tight. Might have to scoop this. 8 bucks, made in USA. We taking cozy to a whole nother level with this. It actually fits. I tried it on, looked in the mirror, and it's the perfect fit. For sure. I'll show you guys what it looks like later. Found this vintage Tommy tee. Tommy box logo? Size medium for women though. It says right there, Tommy girl jeans. Scoop. Vintage North Face jacket. This is fire. This is my size. If I could find sweats, the same material, that'd be so hard. Size large for men. Black and gray. I always got the North Face in the back. Picking it up. Let's go. Alright guys, so I just got back home and I actually just wanted to show you guys the pieces that I picked up. This one's pretty crazy. It's a full like bodysuit. Not a onesie, but it is a bodysuit. From Patagonia, you see it right there. Might have to rock this with some white socks and slides. And then right here, I found a size large. Oh, this was a size large, just to let you guys know. Right here, North Face, size large. So many pockets and like vents for breathing. Obviously got the North Face in the back. A women's one right here. I don't know what this tag is, but I got a women's one right here. This one is a size medium. Yeah, size medium and women's. Very fire piece as well. Should have North Face in the back too. It's got the tuck away hood and the takeaway hood. And then right here I got a bootleg Gucci crew neck, all black. This is a size medium, I believe. Yeah. And then right here is one for the ladies again, size medium, Tommy tee. Very basic Tommy jeans, size medium. And then on the back right there it says Tommy girl jeans. Like I said guys, make sure to follow me on Instagram because all these items are always for sale on my IG. So you can buy these pieces off of me. I ship ASAP, same day or the next day, and I take PayPal. Time to get to the last day of thrifting. Let's go, boy. Yo, just got to the thrift. Let's get inside. I just found this in the women's section. And this in the men's section. It's wonderful suit. I'm not sure how this would fit. I might try to throw this on body. This looks kind of tight. If I wore like a thermal under this with the arms hanging out, this would be kind of fire. Let me see. Haven't found a bag in a while. Finally just came up on one right here. Vintage Tommy with the buckle. In the plaid? This is fire. Will be for sale. Hit me up. Yo. So I just got to the boo-boo's house and I just want to show you guys the other items that I picked up. Let me show ya. Let's go. Alright, so right here I finally found another bag. I haven't found one in a while, but this is a vintage Tommy plaid bag. Another one right here, Polo Sport for the ladies. It's like a smaller backpack, very fire. And then lastly right here, for those of y'all who do not know, my second favorite thing to find in thrifts is full suits, whether it be a tracksuit or a suit like a sweater, like a sweatsuit. This is so fire. This is like, it doesn't even have a brand name. It's just kind of cut and sewed in a very, very cool way. It's got some distressing going on. You see it does have the short sleeve, and then the pants have some details as well. And then it cuffs at the bottom. Super fire piece. I'm for sure gonna wear this with the new Sandal Boys slides that I have, so this is fire. This is gonna stay in the personal for now. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Trying to put out a video as often as possible, but it's looking like it's gonna be once a week, maybe twice a week. But hope you guys enjoyed it. This was Trip to the Thrift numero 56. Nope, I don't know anyone number 56 in the NBA. Got the braids though. Shout out to the homegirl in my school. But yeah, got the braids done. Let me know what y'all think. Went for the more thick braids so it looks a little more full. Then they just bang out in the back right there. I don't know if y'all could really see it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. This was Trip to the Thrift numero 56. And you already know the slogan. So let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Hey, man, to fashion was good. Posted a picture on Instagram, so go peep it. Let's go.